Hey guys, you know what's happening right now? This hurricane. And look what it caused on my place. Look. You see those two trees? They got knocked down. And that one in the middle got survived. Even those ones over there, they're just blowing. And they're just chilling. Well, even look at the pond. Well, the ducks are far. You can't see them very well. I know, guys. This is so terrible. I mean, look what happened to our window. The rain blew to our window. The hurricane blew everything. Oh, and there are birds flying. But they go away. And they're not singing and that stuff. You know. Well, you should be safe. Well, I hope you guys know that this hurricane is so important. If you're far away, your hurricane is Harvey. If you live in Florida, the hurricane is Irma for us. So, well, I hope you guys understand. Even there's a power surge, you better need to have flashlights. You better need to have flashlights, because if not, because this is the day of the hurricane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just made this video for fun because I wanted to show you guys the hurricane. Well, goodbye.